there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a comment in TikTok and also how to delete a bulk of comments in TikTok. Now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos and for supporting me. Thank you guys. Let's go, and first let's open our TikTok app. So guys, today I'm making this video to show you how to delete a comment in TikTok, and there are a bunch of ways you can do it. Or if you want to delete a comment, there will be a simple there are times when you just want to delete a comment or more comments. So I'll be showing you both of these, how to do it on TikTok. Now let's go to my profile. That will be on the bottom right corner, and let's open up a video. Let's open the first video. Let's pause this. As you can see, there are 11 comments over here, some by my friends and some by me myself from another account for the demo purpose of this video. Now if you want to delete just a comment, okay, just a comment, we'll be deleting that you can see the comment on the last one. Okay, let's delete it. To delete it, tap on and hold on the comment you want to delete. I again repeat, tap and hold on the comment which you want to delete. Let's go. I will be deleting the last comment, which is the A. Tap and holding, and you can see the delete option just over the copy option, which is at the bottom of the option pop-up. Now let's delete this comment. There you see guys, deleting a comment in TikTok is this easy. And now if you want to delete a amount of comments or more than one comment, let's do it. I'll show you how to. Just tap on one of the comments you want to delete. Go. I will be tapping on the last one. After that, you can see the manage multiple comments option just over the delete option. Tap on the manage multiple comments. Let's go. You can see on the left side of your screen, empty circles are available, which was not available just before. If you tap on the done button, they will not be there. Now again, to do that, let's tap on the comment we want to delete and tap on the manage multiple comments. Okay, after that, the circles has again reappear. Now to delete, these are for the markings. Now to delete bulk of comments or more than one comment, all you need to do is select by tapping on the circle icon, which is before the profile photo, which is also in a circle. Let's tap it, and I want to delete this. I also want to delete this comment. I also want to delete this comment as well as these. Okay, and let's delete it. Okay, I have deleted 8 comments there guys. This is how you delete a bulk comment or one or more than one comment in TikTok. So guys, I have shown you how to delete a comment and more than one comment in TikTok. Guys, this is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And by the way guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys. Peace.